My name is Brian Makowitz, and I highly recommend Mike McGilvary Roofing. Most people that I had come over wanted to sell me a brand new roof. Instead, Mike came over, took a look at the high water areas, and suggested that I get a rebuild done, saving myself in the neighborhood of almost $50,000 from replacing the roof. He was honest. He said, if we do this procedure, you will get a couple extra years out of the roof and you won't have to replace the roof at this time. So again, he was just very transparent, wasn't trying to upsell me, and he was just he's just a good guy. You don't come across good guys like that anymore. He communicated with me, he was honest, he was transparent. His crew was here right on time. They were just wonderful, really down to earth. I would highly recommend Mike McGilvary Roofing. You will not be disappointed.